here. This is what it looks like. We're putting down these brackets here underneath the tar paper. And then as you can see, the center blocks is going on top of it. And then that's the prep that we have for our solar array. And as I told you, we're going to have about 1,200 panels put up before we're done. Right now I'm like laying out the lines, these red lines here. I'm snapping them. There's 3 of us snapping them because the distance is pretty long from one corner to the next. But we're doing pretty good, because when I first showed you the roof, I was just showing you a blank canvas of the roof, and then I was telling you, you know, the amount of arrays that we would have to do. And so this is the last roof right now we're working on. Still got to get over here, but this roof is done. The bottom roof over there where those steps are, they're done, and these are done up here. And this one here, we've already started putting the panels up. Then they ran into another snag and we had to stop. So typically when we get to this point, if we didn't have to stop, these are the power leads coming off of the solar panels here that I'm typically going along and wiring up each and every last one of them. But they stopped because the layout, and unfortunately for us as workers, that's been a lot that has been going on. Putting these brackets up, putting the center block down, putting the panels up. Oh, that's not right. You know, it's excavator's fault. They didn't lay out these lines right with the excavation right here that we went off to do our chalk lines. But however, we're here. We're doing our part. Physically it's challenging because it's so hot and there's no shade, no cover unless we go down to our car or something. But anyway, the bottom line is this is what it looks like right now. This whole roof is laid out with the these are the kind of brackets they're using for this roof so that you don't use any penetrations on the roof. So it's these little racks they got here, and then we put the center blocks on top of them, and then the solar panels go on top, and then we just wire them up. And normally it's 16 of these panels to one circuit. So this is it. This is the steps here. Outside steps that we're not allowed to come up on until we get like a green badge to say that it's safe to walk up these steps. Every day we have to they have to give us a new badge with a date stating that that day we can actually go up on the roof and it's safe. So these are the brackets. Those are the cinder blocks. I'm gonna walk over just to let you guys see the other roof. This roof here is laid out. Excavation is what they did. The guys came in and plotted it out, and then we came along and did the chalk lines for our layout. Alright, so give you an idea. Same thing. This roof over here that we did. We laid it out last week. They put the center blocks down. Then when things get into a question, we kind of like hold off before we actually are told that it's okay to put the solar panels down. But this is a solar array. What it looks like before we actually get it in. But all of this is laid out. All of the blocks are down on this roof. All of them, except for this last one we're working on. Okay, so till the next time, it's your girl Robin. Deuces.